What is up, Diecasters, and you're joining in back again with another episode of Diecast Maniac. And today we will be looking at the Tarmac new releases which are coming up this year and which they predicted that will be out in last year. So most of the new releases are being released within the next few months, and we will be talking about an in-detail review on that as well as the availability of them, because most of the models won't be available at the web store right now and will be available at the distributors, the local distributors among your countries. So we will be looking at that as well, and I'll be letting you know about the availability and where you can get these cars. Starting off with, we have the Mercedes-AMG G63, the 2019 4x4 edition. So they are coming up in highlight yellow, and they are planning on releasing this in April. And this is going to be a special edition, and it will be released on the web store, and probably within the April, at least by mid or end of April, it will be available on the web store for you guys to purchase. And then moving on to the next model that we have in line, one of the most high-end models are coming out, and that is the Toyota Hiace wide body, and it's coming with a roof rack, and this will be available on the web store, and they are planning on releasing it on Feb. So February is going to be a good month for Tarmac as well as their customers, because a lot of new releases are coming in February, March, April. So those 3 months are going to be busy for Tarmac, and they are coming up with this Toyota Hiace. Talking about the releases that are coming up in 2021, it is going to be an year filled with a lot of models that are coming from Mustang as well as RWBs. So talking about the next in line, what we have is the Tarmac Works Ford Mustang Shelby GT350R. So this is coming in the white livery with the blue stripes, and it is set to be released on May 2021. And actually this is available with a chase car, so you'll be able to see the chase car as well. They haven't released any detail or pictures about the chase car, but hopefully we will be able to see it soon. And then in line we have another Mustang. So this is the Mustang GT4, and this is from 2018, and this is also will be available with a chase car. You guys know chase car is limited production, and you will be getting like one car per box. So a lucky person will be able to find it, and hopefully a lot of chase cars will be available, since a lot of chase cars are coming with almost all the models. And this is also to be released on May 2021. And talking about the livery, you have the Mustang GT wide body, and also it comes in yellow, a highlight yellow with a touch of carbon fiber black, and the wheels and the wing is also in full black. Another JDM lined up by Tarmac, which is set to be released this year, is the coming up of a collaboration. The collaboration between Tarmac and Kyosho models is coming up, and this is actually the Toyota Supra. So Toyota Supra coming in the white livery, white and red, and this is still not, they haven't still given out the release date because it's still on license approval. So as soon as the license approval is done, they will be releasing a date on which month and which date it will be out. Another amazing news coming up by Tarmac for the RWB fans. So they've been working on this project for quite a few months, and they are done with the project, and they are coming out with the new RWB, the RWB 993. And talking about the livery, so they are actually taken the livery out of the Le Mans Racing Championship, and they have included into the RWB, collaborating with the RWB official modification company, and they came out with this livery, which is with yellow, black and white, and actually an amazing car. And hopefully the model will be out soon, because they actually gave out a sneak peek of the petrol can with the RWB coming in. So hopefully we will be able to grab this as well, and I'm pretty sure it's going to be a hot model, because a lot of people will be eyeing on this. And another good news is that Tarmac has announced that they will be bringing out this car into car events and different events, model car events and all sorts, to promote this car and to show for the customers to enjoy and see it. Moving on to the next in line, what we have, we actually talked about this specific model a few days ago in our own video, and we gave out the details about this car, and they are finally releasing it to their web store. And this was actually released 2 days back, which is January 14th, and it is available on the web store. And actually, talking about this car, they have released a chase car as well. So all three models that are being released or to be released are coming up with chase cars. And talking about this chase car, the original normal model is coming up in gray, and the chase car is going to be in white. So and this is actually the first version of the global 64 Mustang Ford GT4, and it is released and it's available in the web store. So hope you guys grab it soon before it runs out of stocks, because lately most of the Tarmac models are being sold out very quickly. So hope you guys grab that as well. Tarmac is also coming up with another JDM King. So they are releasing their Nismo GTR GT3, and this is the 2017 edition, and Tarmac has given the idea that it's coming in a container. So this is the first time it's coming in a container, GTR R35, and hopefully the livery of the container, the compartment, the package will be amazing, and we are looking into that as well. And Tarmac has dropped a set of models, and they actually released these on 14th for the Tarmac Work memberships, and in January 15th for the general public. So Tarmac Work members can actually purchase these cars, as well as it's open for the general public. And the cars are as follows: the RWB 964 and the Ford Mustang GT4. The Ford Mustang GT4 was the previous car that we spoke about, the grey, and that's coming up with the chase car. And also Tarmac has released 4 164 scale cars and 2 43 scale cars, and also 3 ignition models, as well as their first ignition in racing. So the first ignition racing is the Hakusuka, which is the GTR, and it's coming in white livery. Also they have released 2 RX-7s as well as 1 Acura NSX, and these are out on the web store as well as for the Tarmac members. So hope you guys grab it, and grab it soon before it runs out of stocks. And we come to the end of the video, and hope you guys enjoyed the video as always, and make sure to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification button to keep up with the latest news. And hope to see you guys soon on the next video.